Knife heads, welcome back to the Knife Nut channel. Well, I know it's been a while. I've been spending a lot of quality time with the fam. You know, Christmas, New Year's. We all stayed up and watched the ball drop, had a good time. I figured I'd come on here and do a little New Year's pocket dump, if you will. It's about dark out, so if the lighting's terrible, I decided to do this real quick. I figured I'd walk outside and do one real quick. So give me just a second. Let me sit y'all down and I'll show you what I was carrying for 2025. The first day. Come on. So the first one up, I got this Knife Crazy slip. It's just plain leather, no dye on it. You can see the knife riding in it. Let's see what's in it. Give it a little squeezy squeeze. There she falls. That's right. That 4-inch Barlow from Bear & Sons with that sheep's foot blade. And it's got Ellaville Knife Show on the blade with that long pull, with that beautiful swedging, carbon steel. It's got the Knife Doctor on it. It's got that bone stag. Got the half stop. Straight down Broadway. Wouldn't have it no other way. Come on. What else? What else is in Big E's pockets? I about forgot. I got the GEC 81 in red linen micarta. We got that beautiful clip point blade with all that swedging. Look at all that swedging. And got the spade blade that says for flesh only on it right there. Ain't that a beauty? I'm gonna do a review on this. And in my fifth pocket, I got my 22 GEC gun stock in the clip point. This is a 22 pattern. It's a fifth pocket knife. It's a nail cleaner, stuff like that. Opening packages with this. It's nothing crazy. If you don't like small knives, don't buy it. That's all I can say about that. And I got my Farm and Fields 71. This one's special because it's got the screwdriver up top here, flathead, bottle opener. I've never used the bottle opener, but I have used the screwdriver part a bunch actually in my house. Great knife, black linen micarta. Well, guys, that is my New Year's tote. Y'all, what are y'all packing today? Y'all, always stay safe out there. Stay sharp and always stay classy. You hear?